All right, guys, we're on almost our last unit. Now we're going to be talking about statistics and probability and measures of center. Now on the formula sheet, they do tell you how to find the mean. And basically, it's on the screen. It just means add up all the numbers, divide by the number of numbers. Or you can do my stuff to help you be amazing. So real quick, I'm officially telling you that the median is when you take all the numbers and you put them in order from least to greatest, and you find the center, median. The mode is whatever number happens the most often. That one you just kind of have to know, like you look at it and be like, wow, there's 3 number 7s, that's the mode, okay? The mean is the average, and then the range. Here comes the coolest thing ever. When you have your calculator open, and I recommend doing this on the graphing calculator, this functions button gives you all of these statistics things that they just tell you. Mean, median, we're going to be looking at today. In this episode, the mode, I already told you, is the most often. You can figure out that with your brain. The min, max, and quartile, we're going to end up figuring out on the next slide when we do the interquartile range, standard deviation, and then the other stuff, you really don't have to worry too much about that. Now the trick is this A capital letter equals brackets. So I'm going to put here A, capital A, you got to do capital A, you have to do a capital letter, equals, and you have to type the bracket. The bracket is located below the plus sign, but above the quotation marks. And then let's look at number 1. Let's type these numbers in. 82, 23, 59, 94, 70, 26, 32, 83, you should be typing along with me, 87, 94, and 32, close bracket. So this tells me it's an 11 unit list. So watch what I'm going to do on my next slide, my next line. I want to know the mean. So I'm going to click mean, and then inside the parentheses, I'm just going to type the letter A. Boom, it figures it out for me, 62. Let's say I need to find the median. Functions, medium of what list? Letter A. My median is 70. Now, do I have to use my brain and see which number happens the most? Yes, I do. So I have 82. There's only 182, 123, 94 happens 2 times. So my mode will be 94. Then your range, you have to kind of figure out too. Your range is your highest number minus your lowest number. Now, if you don't know that, watch what you can do here. Max A minus the min of A. You just have to tell it to come up with that information. Max is the highest, min is the lowest, 71 is my range. Okay, now there is this stats button right here, which also will give you the min and the max that way. So if you want to just do stats A, you can in your head do, okay, the max is 94, the min is 23, and what do you get? You get the same 71. And that's it. So let's do the next one really quickly. I'm going to click this little here and do delete all. Let's do number 7. Okay, so let's call this list H. So I'm doing capital letter H equals bracket. Bracket is next to the letter P. And we're going to type in number 7, 86, 13. Put commas in between each item in your list. Those items are called elements. Usually good practice would be make sure that you did everything right. But then I'm just typing in mean of H. There it is. Or you can hit the functions button. Median of H. There it is. Mode, you have to look yourself. What number happens the most? That's a hard one. 13, 60, 55, 61, 97. Okay, doing a quick look, it looks like none of these numbers are duplicated, so this one would not have a mode because the numbers are not duplicated. And then for your range, I'm just going to hit the stats button. see that my lowest number is 98, my highest number is 98, my lowest number is 13. So then my range would be 85. Use the calculator. That's all I got to say about it.